Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can delete the email address on your Facebook. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also don't forget to write comments at the end of the video. So, let's get to our topic. And first of all, open the Facebook application. Next, go to the menu section at the bottom. After that, in the top right corner, click on the gear to go to Settings. Next, you will need to go to the Meta Account Center. Now Personal Information and Contact Information. This will take you to all the contact information that is attached to this Facebook page. As you can see, I have multiple emails as well as a phone number. You may have multiple of those as well. So, in order to delete an email, you'll need to go to it. And then at the bottom, you'll have to select Delete Email. And further, to finally delete it, you will just need to confirm this action. Thus, the mail will be immediately deleted. But I want to warn you that you should still have at least one email in your contact information, as well as one phone number so that you can log into your Facebook page. So if you decide to delete your email, then I recommend that you start a new email, or just add a new contact here, add a new email. And after that, already delete the old email that you want to delete. Friends, this is the simple way you can delete your Facebook email address. I hope this video helped you and was useful for you. Please don't forget to put likes, subscribe to this channel, and also write your comments. See you soon.